Good morning. This is Vlogmas episode 4. It is the weekend, and the weekends I usually try to do an Orange Theory class in the morning. So I usually do the 8:15 classes on Saturday and Sunday. So that is what I'm getting for today. I don't wear any makeup when I go to Orange Theory. I just put some moisturizer on, so I gotta do that. I'll show you what I am wearing though. Just basically workout gear. I really like the Lululemon Swiftly shirts. This one is the full length, but I also like the waist length version. I have them in a few different colors, and then I'm wearing, I think these are the Wunder under trains, but with the pockets on the side, because I like to be able to like put my pockets or my phone in the side when I'm walking in and out of the gym. I don't usually bring a bag with me. I probably will start in the winter time because I don't want my shoes to get all like snowy. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing. I'm not sure what else we're gonna get up to today, but starting the day off strong with a workout. Okay, I just finished my workout. I'm dead. I just took a shower because I usually am pretty sweaty after my Orange Theory classes. But anyway, this is what I'm wearing. Allie's here too. She's wearing a plaid shirt. Allie wanted up, but I'm wearing this long sleeve shirt from Lululemon. I actually just got it. It was part of the like Black Friday sale. And then I'm wearing some jeans from Levi's. I actually really like this shirt from Lululemon. It is their cotton blend basic shirt or something like that. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but it's on sale right now for like 29 bucks. I think regularly it's 54. We are currently at the old house just checking out. There's a few showings that are happening today, so we are just kind of making sure things are still clean in here. It's been on the market for about a month, so there's a lot of dead flies. Well, it's been empty for about a month, so there's a lot of dead flies that we had to vacuum up. But you guys remember the old kitchen? Everything is like totally empty, as you guys know, so I'll flip you guys around so you can see. Here is the kitchen that we renovated in 2019 before we had Chloe. Everything is empty. Our backyard's back there. So if anyone wants to buy this house, it's still on the market. Let's go upstairs. I never did like a proper tour of our house, but you guys will recall this bathroom. This is the first bathroom we renovated. So this is like the bathroom that I primarily use, and then the beau had the ensuite. And then when the girls came, this is the bathroom that we shared. Over here would have been Chloe's room. This used to be the old beauty room. And then eventually when we had 2 girls, we made it to Chloe's room. You guys remember I used to actually film my videos in here. I didn't have all the closet shelving in there. I had like my little makeup table set up in there. This is a unique closet because it has a window and it has the door. This originally was the nursery for Chloe, and then she moved into the old beauty room, and then this became Allie's bedroom. And this is where her crib used to be. That is where the cord for the Nest camera that we used to spy on her at night was. This was the master. So I had the bookshelves here, the bed here. I had a little desk over there. Over here is the closet. So I had like a little mini closet walk-in. It's like a step-in really. And then this side was for the beau. And then this is the ensuite where the beau would get ready. This has a really nice shower too. So tiles go all the way up. There's a little niche, and it is a tub. Yes, it's bittersweet to see it all empty. It was like the perfect little starter home for us. And hopefully it becomes a nice little starter home for another family. I'll show you guys. I've shown you the basement before, but this is the living room space. You can see all the girls' toys used to be over there. That's where we kept the Christmas tree. And then on this side, which is where we kept the TV and our couch. And then this is just like a little hallway. Our entryway over here. And our laundry room over here. Take you through the basement quickly. We still love the lighting for the basement stairs. This is the bathroom in here. So this we just renovated, what, 2 years ago? 2 falls ago, I guess. Hello. And then the shower. I love the shower in here. I think it looks great. I love the tile and the niche. And then the rest of the space is relatively open. This is kind of like the play area. There used to be a couch there. And then this is another bedroom. So it's like technically a 4+1. And then there's like a big closet there. And you guys remember we had these windows enlarged. They used to be much smaller. So they're 24 by 24, I believe now, but they used to be 12 by 24. And makes a big difference in terms of the amount of light that can come through. Well, yeah, that is the basement. I definitely kind of miss, I'm trying to remember where all the switches are. So I think the main switch is up there. But yeah, I miss the neighborhood for sure. I miss the house in a way, but I'm really happy that we're in our new house. It's just a little bit more square footage for us, for a family of 4. I think it's like a really nice size. This is a really great size if you're a couple or just starting a family, I think. But yes, that is our old house, and now we gotta get on to all of our errands. Okay, it is evening now, late into the evening, and I'm kind of doing my evening routine where I update my bullet journal. So this past year, I've actually been doing a pretty good job with my bullet journal. I have been able to maintain doing themes for each month, but what I'm catching up on now is my monthly summaries. So I actually print off, I have one of these Kodak, the 4-pass, 3-pass little printers, and I can print these like 2x3 photos. And so what I've been doing monthly is printing off photos so that I can just like have a little keepsake in the bullet journal. So I'm like 2 months behind. So I have just finished printing off October's memories. So I'm all caught up. I have to do November's and then December's. So I am doing that currently, but while I wait for all that stuff to print, I thought I would show you what I picked up from Lego recently. I'm kind of obsessed with Lego. I have reignited my love for Lego. And we're doing a Secret Santa at work, and I don't really know the person very well because we don't work in the same building. But what I do know about her is that she has young kids and she is a big Christmas fanatic. So I picked up the Gingerbread ornament set. So there's 3 ornaments that can be decorated. So I got that for, I think the limit was $20 and this is maybe $18 plus tax. And I also picked up another one for my girls so that we can do that one of these days. But yeah, I thought that was like a cute little gift. So don't know much about her, but what I do know, I think she will like this gift. Today, again, pretty quiet day. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this episode, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.